Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of June 24th, 2021. The first question is, which country signs MOU with India to promote yoga in their country? And the options are A. Iran, B. UAE, C. Saudi Arabia, and D. Oman. And the correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia signs MOU with India to promote yoga in their country. And the second question is, who becomes the first transgender weightlifter of New Zealand to compete at Olympics? And the options are A. Elle Hubbard, B. Veronica Ivy, C. Fallon Fox, and D. Cece Telferry. And the correct answer is Elle Hubbard. Hubbard will compete in super heavyweight 87 kilos category at the Tokyo Olympics from New Zealand. And the third question is, who among the following has taken Test hat-trick wickets against West Indies? And the options are A. Kasigo Rabada, B. Imran Tahir, C. Keshav Maharaj, and D. Faf du Plessis. And the correct answer is C. Keshav Maharaj. Keshav Maharaj dismissed Kieron Powell, Jason Holder, and Joshua Da Silva to achieve this landmark. Keshav Maharaj becomes second South African to take this Test hat-trick, whereas first Test hat-trick was done by Geoff Griffiths from South Africa against England at Lord's in 1960. And the fourth question is, Poovachal Kadar passed away recently. He is renowned for which profession? And the options are A. Writer, B. Artist, C. both A and B, and D. Lyricist. And the correct answer is D. Lyricist. He is a veteran Malayalam lyricist who worked for many movies, and he recently passed away. And the fifth question is, Tandarpal Singh Toor, an Indian athlete, qualifies for Tokyo Games for which sport? The options are A. Javelin throw, B. Shot put, C. Running, and D. Long jump. And the correct answer is B. Shot put. He is the 11th Indian to qualify for Olympics in track and field, and he is Tandarpal Singh Toor. And the sixth question is, which of the following state becomes only state to have kinds of crocodile species in its Mahanadi river? And the options are A. West Bengal, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Orissa, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is C. Orissa. So there are three kinds of species, including reptile freshwater, gaddiles, muggers, and saltwater crocodiles. And the seventh question is, which state has signed a MOU with Survey of India for implementing the Swamitra scheme in their state? And the options are A. Haryana, B. Assam, C. Punjab, and D. Gujarat. The correct answer is B. Assam. This scheme aims at providing an integrated property validation solution for rural areas. The eighth question is, which state government decided to constitute an economy advisory council? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu government decided to constitute an economy advisory council. This council consists of 5 members. They are Esther Duflo, Raghuram Rajan, Jean Rees, Arvind Subramaniam, and S. Narayan. And the ninth question is, who among the following named as an ambassador of Forest Frontline Heroes by WWF India? And the options are A. Upasana Kamineni, B. Vishwanathan Anand, C. Akshay Kumar, and D. Shobhana Kamineni. The correct answer is A. Upasana Kamineni. So Upasana Kamineni is named as an ambassador of Forest Frontline Heroes by WWF India, whereas she is the MD of Apollo Life. And the 10th question is, which organization has partnered with Tata Group for the implementation of 5G network solutions in India? And the options are A. VI Group, B. BSNL, C. Reliance Jio, and D. Airtel. And the correct answer is D. Airtel. So Airtel organization has partnered with Tata Group for the implementation of 5G network solutions in India. This 5G technology based on Open Radio Access Network to reduce network cost between 30 to 40%. And the 11th question is, who has collaborated with Indian Green Building Council to formulate world's first green rating system for high-speed rails? And the options are A. Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation, B. Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation, C. Chennai Metro Rail Corporation, and D. National High Speed Rail Corporation. The correct answer is D. National High Speed Rail Corporation. Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail Corridor is included for the green rating system. And the 12th question is, who is the author of the book My Joys and Sorrows as a Mother of Special Child? And the options are A. Dr. Krishna Saxena, B. Amitav Ghosh, C. Indra Nooyi, and D. Meghan Markle. And the correct answer is A. Dr. Krishna Saxena. It's an autobiography written in a conversational and easygoing style by Dr. Krishna Saxena. And the 13th question is, SBI General Insurance signed Bancurance Pact with which of the following bank? And the options are A. Yes Bank, B. Axis Bank, C. Canara Bank, and D. IDFC First Bank. And the correct answer is IDFC First Bank. And the 14th question is, which of the following organization acquired 54% stake in Paymatrix? And the options are A. Muthoot Fincorp, B. Kapil Chit Funds, C. Manipuram Gold Loan, and D. Shriram Life Insurance. And the correct answer is A. Muthoot Fincorp. And the 15th question is, under Indo-Israel Agricultural Project, which state inaugurated 3 centers of excellence? And the options are A. Kerala, B. Gujarat, C. Karnataka, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is C. Karnataka. Center of Excellence in Kolar for mango cultivation, Center of Excellence in Bagalkot for pomegranate cultivation, Center of Excellence in Dharwad for vegetable cultivation. These centers of excellence are inaugurated by Union Minister Narendra Singh. And the one-liners today are: Munishwar Nath Bhandari appointed as Acting Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. Dr. B. N. Gangadhar appointed as President NMC Medical Assessment and Board. Rani Rampal named as India Women's Hockey Team Captain for Tokyo Olympics. Manpreet Singh named as India Men's Hockey Team Captain for Tokyo Olympics. And a special mention, New Zealand won the first ever World Test Championship, beating India by 8 wickets. In the final, led by their leader Kane Williamson, followed by Taylor, Jamieson, Southee, Conway, and everyone in the side. New Zealand are dominant at home and fought hard in overseas. They were fantastic in Test, whereas Kale Jamieson won the Man of the Match in WTC final for his terrific all-round performance for 7 wickets and 21 runs. So finally, we congratulate New Zealand, the champions of first ever World Test Championship, a history created in Southampton. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.